act.
4.
4 movies. Okay. So post that, post your last film released in Telugu. Since then, haven't you got any other opportunity from Telugu industry?
Nothing great came up, and then I stopped working because then I got married and I had children, so I'd anyways reduced um, on the number of films, so I became a little selective. The reason for me wanting to do a film is that it has to excite me, and that is why I agreed to do Satyavati's part in KD. The film overall, and it just can't be only my character, the film has to be entertaining and, you know, massy. I've always been a massy heroine, and it's the masses that has made me. So I always try to do things that, you know, appeals to the masses. So my selection of movies will always be based on that.
Now you're okay to do
I have
Telugu
always been open to do any kind of cinema. It should just be interesting. For me, not as an actor, but as an audience first.
So we have seen you as a fitness freak, and Babato, we know he's taught so many actors, inspired so many people in the audience also about fitness. So when two fitness freaks meet together, what is the conversation? What do you share? I want to know from both of you.
I see people know about my passion for fitness now. I think in the last 15 years, Baba actually started the whole trend. Sanju was one of the, I think, fittest actors back in the day when he started out. I think he taught boys what it was to, you know, do bicep curls. And I remember when I was shooting Das with him, at that time we used to have conversations about fitness. I remember him telling me to do calf raises in the bathroom. I still remember this. I don't know if you remember this, but I remember this. He says the easiest and the quickest, because, you know, we do the whole, when we are training, we always neglect the calves. So the legs will look fat, but then the calves are not worked out. So he told me the trick, and I practice it even today. They say that your calves are your second heart, you know, and the more you can do calf raises, the better it is for you. So now when I'm in the bathroom, as and when I remember, I do my calf raises. 2 sets calf raises I do in the bathroom. That's thanks to Sanju. So sorry, first and foremost, to the media and all the fans that I reached late. The driver lost his way. And also I was late already, but then he lost his way. But
Because you are inside, that's the problems, ma'am. शिल्पा जी कार में है, ड्राइवर तो खो जाता है, रास्ता हो जाता है ऐसा, गलती तो.
So I started my, apart from Hindi films, the first other language film that I did was Telugu. I started my career with Raghavendra Rao Garu, with Saas Virdu Sagar Kanya over here. And since then I've always got lot of love from Hyderabad and the fans here. So thank you so much. I hope you give the same love to our beautiful film KD. Want to say thank you to Prem sir for thinking of me and thinking I could play the part of Satyavati. Supreet, who has been an amazing, amazing producer. Venki, who's not here with us, put in not just his money, but his passion into the movie. And I feel so happy to be working with Dhruva for the first time, and Rishma. And last but not the least, Sanju sir. He is truly legendary, and we've worked in many films before, and all of them have been huge hits. And we expect that this one also continues with the trend. बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है, सबको बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, बहुत ही प्यार से बनाई है पिक्चर, एंड बहुत मासी है, एक्शन है, ड्रामा है, इमोशन है, वो सारी चीज़ें हैं जो एक कमर्शियल मासी फिल्म में होनी चाहिए, और बहुत दिल से बनाया है प्रेम सर ने. तो मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी को ये पिक्चर बहुत पसंद आए. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Silpa ji. Thank you so much.